Myself, Dr. Amarnath Shetty, Professor in AJIT Civil Department of Mangalore. Now, I will explain the water supply and treatment engineering. Model 3, the comparison between the rapid gravity filter and slow sand filter. Okay. Now, first, a pre-treatment required. Okay. In a slow sand filter, effluent either from the plain sedimentation tank or raw water without any treatment are generally fed into them, and coagulation is not required, not at all required in the slow sand filter. In a rapid sand filter, coagulation and focalations and sedimentation is must. Okay, this is the comparison between treatment and this one. Okay, first comparison. Okay, and this one uh, base material. Second one, base material. The gravel base support of the sand it vary from 3 to 65 mm in size and 30 to 75 centimeter in depth. Okay, base material. Okay, in this one, the gravel base support the sand and also distribute the wash water uniformly on the surface of sand. It varies from 3 to 40 mm in size and depth is slightly more than that, about 60 to 90 centimeter. Okay, this is the base material. Base gravel base support the sand. It vary from 3 to 65 mm in size and 30 to 75 centimeter in depth. Okay, in a rapid gravity filter, gravity base support the sand also distribute the wash water uniformly. The surface of sand it vary from 3 to 40 centimeters in size and its depth is slightly more than that of 60 mm. Now we go for the filter sand. Okay, filter sand. The effective size of the filter sand range between from 0.2 to 0.4 mm and uniformity coefficient between 1.8 to 2.5. Okay, the gain size distribution is generally uniform throughout the depth of the filter. Okay, in the rapid, effective size of the filters and ranges between 0.35 to 0.55 and uniformity coefficient between 1.2 to 1.8. The sand is laid in the layer with the smallest grain size at the top grain size at bottom. Okay. Now the fourth one, under drain system. Okay, under drain system, it is laid. Okay, it is laid under receive filtered water underway, laid in order to receive filtered water and also process the water backwash at very high rate. Under drain system, laid under laid in order to receive the filtered water. Okay, in a slow sand, in a rapid sand, laid in order to receive the filtered water and also pass the water backwashing at the high rate. Size of the each unit, large size 30 into 60 meter. Okay, the area varying from 100 to 2000 meter square or more. Size of the large slow sand filter. Small in size 5 meter into 8 meter. The area for varying from 10 to 80 meter square. Okay. Rate of filtration. Okay. Small such as 100 to 200 liter per hour per meter square of filter area. Large scale as 3000 to 6000 liter per hour per meter square filter area. Okay. Economy. High initial cost at both land and the material, but low cost of operation is maintained. Okay, low initial cost but higher cost operation maintained. Overall, it is cheap and economical. Okay, depreciation rate relatively low, relatively high. Okay. Now efficiency. Okay. In a slow sand filter, efficient is removal is 98 to 99% efficient removing the color and bacteria, but less efficient is removing in color. Okay, 98 to 99% efficient in removing bacteria, but less efficient removing color. Okay, less efficient in removing bacteria 80 to 90%, 95%, but very efficient in removing the color. Okay, flexibility, not flexible for meeting the variance in demand, quite flexibility meeting the reasonable variation in demand. Okay, easy in construction in a slow sand. It is simple. It is complicated underdrain to be properly designed. Okay. Now period of cleaning at the interval of 1 meter to 3 meter, 3 months. Okay. Sorry, cleaning interval at 1 month to 3 months. Okay. Clean frequency at the interval of 1 to 3 days. Okay. Pressure sand filter. Okay, it is a pressure sand filter. Pressure sand filter. This drawing we can see the pressure sand filter, raw water, fine sand, filter sand, filter sand. This is the filter sand. Okay. Here raw water is the fine sand. It is the gravels. Okay. Here air valve. Okay. Manhole. Okay. Wash water outlet. Okay. Wash water outlet, and this one. Okay, this is the pressure sand filter. Pressure filter is a type of rapid sand filter. It's closed watertight cylinder through which water passes through the sand bed under pressure. Okay, all the operations of the pressure filter is a rapid gravity filter. Expect that the coagulation of water applied of the filter without mixing the and focalization. These filters are used in industrial plant, but see the not economy, not economical in the large scale. This is the pressure filter. Okay, raw water, fine sand, coarse sand aggregate, coarse aggregate. Okay, here is the air valve. Okay, main hole. Okay, this is the pressure filter. Okay, this is the compact nowadays. Construction, pressure filter, filter box enclosed is made up of RCC steel and must be strong enough to support the weight water. Underdrain system and filter based medium. Underdrain system is functioning uh, collect and remove the filtered water and then disperse the backwash water. It consists of filter in place main and lateral pipe arrangement. Okay, advantage, advantage of the pressure filter, it is a compact and automatic operation. First advantage, the compact and automatic operation. Second one, these are ideal for small estates and small water work. This filter requires small area for installation. Small number of fittings are required in these filters. Filter water comes out under pressure. No further pumping is required. No sedimentation and coagulation tanks are required with this unit. These are the advantage. This is a compact automatic operation. These are ideal for small estate and small water work. This filter requires small area for installation. Small number of fittings are required for this filter. Filter water come out under the pressure. No further pumping is required. No sedimentation and coagulation tanks is required with this unit. Disadvantage, due to a heavy cost of treatment, they cannot be used for treating large quantity of water. Okay, proper quality control and inspection is not possible because of closed tank. Efficiency of removal of bacteria and turbidity is poor. Change of filter media, gravel, and repair of drainage system is difficult. Okay, now we go for the last question, 10th, membrane filter. Okay, how it is work and how is done. Okay, membrane is a thin layer of the semi permeable material that separates the substance during the force of applied across the members. Membrane process of increasing of removing bacteria, microorganism, particulate, and natural organic material which can impact color, uh, taste, and odor of the water, and react with the disinfection to the form of disinfectant byproduct. In advancement are made in members production and model design, capital and operating costs continue to decline. The membrane process is discussed here: microfiltration, ultrafiltration, nanofiltration, and reverse osmosis. Okay.